How to schedule TikTok post. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to go to your app store and we are going to search for TikTok Studio. Tap on the TikTok Studio app and make sure to download it onto your phone. Now this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. Let's go ahead and open up the TikTok Studio app and you will then have to log into your TikTok account. And once you're here, you can click on create at the bottom middle. And this is where you can see the upload button. So we tap on the upload button and just allow access to your gallery. Select the photo or video that you want to schedule and click on next at the bottom. Now, if you missed this next part, you'll have to start over. Once you're done picking the photo or video you want to schedule, click on next at the bottom right. And from here, you should be able to see the schedule post option. You tap on that and you can then set the time. But it doesn't end there. You need to tap on more options. Now this next step is also important, so make sure to pay attention. From here, we scroll down and make sure that save to device is toggled off like this. So if it is currently on, just tap on the toggle button to have that turned off. And then you go back to schedule post and pick the time when you want to post that and just click on post at the bottom right. And that is how you can basically schedule TikTok posts.